Here are the steps we'll follow when we're trying to find an inverse. First thing, instead of saying f of x, it'll be easier for us to talk about if we put a y in the place of f of x. The second thing to do, the thing that makes two inverses into inverses, we'll switch the x and the y. Next, I'll solve it for y, and then instead of saying y, we'll call it f inverse. Remember, what looks like a -1 as an exponent is read as f inverse. So let's try it on this one. First, we'll put y in the place of f of x. Now, the thing that creates the two inverses, switch the x and the y. And now let's solve it for y. First, I'll subtract 1 from each side, and then I'll divide each side by 2 to get the y by itself. Everything there is divided by the 2. This is f inverse. There it is solved for y, and there we have f inverse. Let's try another. On this one, first I'll put y in for the f of x. Next, I'll switch the x and the y. This is what creates inverses. Now we need to solve this for y. Let's move the 4 across. It was subtracted, so I'll add. And then finally, let's divide by the 3. Dividing both sides by 3 gives us f inverse. Whenever you want to find the inverse of a function, first put y in the place of f of x. Switch all of the x's and y's, solve it for y, and then call it f inverse.